Hello mga katulbak, this is Ref Harry once again. Napag-usapan na natin yung basketball history. Maraming salamat Mr. James Naismith na kung saan siya ang nakapag-invento ng larong basketball. So for now, we're talking about basketball rule and basketball referee. But before that, baka hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. Please click the subscribe button and the bell button also for you to notify every time na maglalagay tayo ng videos o mag-upload tayo ng videos dito. Okay, so we talk about basketball rule. Basketball rule is all about the game. The basketball game itself. Okay. This is under FIBA official basketball rule as of 2022. But valid July 1, 2023. So, hindi naman nabago yung rule number 1. Yun pa rin ang rule number 1 natin, the game. Okay. Under article number 1, ito yung definition ng basketball. So, ano ba talaga ang definition ng basketball? The basketball is played by two teams of 5 players each team. And their objective is to score on the opponent's basket and prevent the opponent to scoring from my own basket. Ano ba yung own basket at ano ba yung opponent's basket? So sinasagutin niya ng article number 1, bullet number 2. Sinasabi na yung own basket ay yung sinusutan ng inyong opponent. So pag sinabing own basket, kunwari basket ko. Okay? Ito yung dinedepensahan ko na hindi maka-score sa akin yung aking kalaban. Pag sinabi namang opponent's basket, yun naman yung sa kalaban ko na pinoprotektahan niya, which is dun naman ako nagsushoot. Sana malinaw na sa atin ang own at opponent's basket. Okay? So, siyempre, the winner of this game is yung kung sino yung mas mataas ang score, yun ang mananalo. Pag nag-tie under the regulation, after the fourth quarter, after that, meron tayo tinatawag na overtime at pag-uusapan natin yan sa mga susunod pa. Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment down below at para mapag-usapan natin kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pang malaman. Hanggang sa muli, this is Referee, ako referee.